Also from Terre Haute, player number 4, Dalton Ford. From the DuPage Drones, number 7, Aaron Meyer. From the Hamilton, number 8, Austin Sooner. From the DuPage Drones, number 19, Cody Smith. From the Terre Haute Rex, number 23, PJ Collette. From the Quincy Gems, number 24, Dion Thompson. From the Danville Dance, Don Dropsack. And from the Terre Haute Rex, number 34, Brian Hobby. The coaching staff for the West, from Springfield, Kyle Hoover. And now the starting lineup for the West Division. They are managed by the Springfield Sliders, Zach Charbonneau. Playing third base from the Terre Haute Rex, number 13, Nico Nicolaki. Batting fourth, the designated hitter from the Quincy Gems, number 17, Joey Pollock. Batting fifth at first base from the
Golden Black Illustrated once a week. It's funny when you read names, you don't always know. But he was one of the original groups that looked at Golden Black Illustrated. They had a good run for him though, and then all of a sudden they decided to cut funding.
Meanwhile, over here, the East staying warmed up and sending messages over to the West. The front hall